Hubei Huifu Nanomaterial Limited Company is a chemical manufacturer from China. Established in 2014, with registered capital of 61.50 million Chinese yuan, and factory area of 80,000 square meters. Our main products are fumed silica, fumed titanium dioxide and fumed alumina. We provide stable supply. We get 5 hydrophilic fumed silica production lines and 4 hydrophobic production lines. Our current annual capacity is 20,000 tons, and another 25,000 tons is in construction. With years of development, Hubei Huifu Nanomaterial Limited Company has become a leading fumed silica manufacturer in China. Guangzhou Huifu Research Institute Limited Company is our wholly owned subsidiary. We get certificate of REACH, ISO, SGS, and DMF registered. We have 54 Chinese patents and 2 international patents. We lead and participate in 3 ISO standards projects, 2 China national standards, and 3 China group standard projects. Our register brand is HIFL, and our HIFL fumed silica is sold to 50+ countries. We have built multi-trust business relationships. Hubei Huifu Nanomaterial keeps providing professional, customized solutions for you. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us. Our email address is hifl@hifl.com.